In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change files into binary workbook in Excel. If you want to convert an existing Excel file into a binary workbook, the process is very straightforward. A binary workbook uses the XLSB file format, which can help reduce file size and may improve performance, especially for larger spreadsheets. Let's go through it together step by step so you can do it quickly and confidently. Start by opening the workbook that you want to convert. Make sure the correct file is already open in Excel before moving on, since this is the workbook you'll be saving in a different format. Once the workbook is open, click the File tab. This will take you to Excel's Backstage view, where you can manage file settings, saving options, and other workbook-related actions. From there, select Save As. This is the option you'll use when you want to save the file in a new format instead of simply overwriting it in its current format. Next, choose the location where you want to save the file. This could be a folder on your computer, a shared drive, or a cloud location, depending on where you normally keep your Excel documents. Take a moment here to make sure you're saving it somewhere easy to find later. If you want to save a copy as a binary workbook and keep your original workbook unchanged, choose a different file name or a different save location. This is a helpful tip if you want to preserve the original version in case you need to compare the two files later or return to the original format. After that, look for the Save as Type drop-down list. Click it and then select Excel Binary Workbook, which appears as .xlsb. This tells Excel that you want to save the workbook in binary format rather than as a standard Excel workbook. Once you've selected Excel Binary Workbook, click Save. Excel will then create the file in the new format. Depending on your version of Excel and the contents of the workbook, the save may happen instantly or take a few seconds. And that's it. Your file has now been changed into a binary workbook in Excel. If you saved it with a new name or in a new location, you'll also still have your original workbook available. This is a simple but useful way to manage large Excel files more efficiently.